guy, stand right there. Put your fingers, lips on his, lips on his hand. Come on.
Okay. Did you take it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's trip out.
Smoke. You're killing the flowers. High rolling.
No, I'm not.
There you go.
I love the flowers.
Fucking good. This is good. Gangnam Style.
Oh, just the whole base.
Dance.
Just kidding.
It's my pregnant
Like that
dance.
one. Huh?
It's like,
Isn't that off something?
yeah.
Where's that off of?
Gangnam Style, where he's like,
Yeah, I knew I seen it. I need a diamond necklace.
I have a diamond necklace.
So Mark, do you like your hair
Actually, I feel so feminine right now.
and your flowers? I should have taken a picture of you like that.
3 roses left.
There's another. There's a black one on there.
Where's the black one?
Right there.
Oh. This is for someone special. Oh.
Trying to give away my roses?
No.
Those are meant for you. Oh,
Those are meant for you. Just kidding.
How did a black one get in there?
I bought a black one.
Better not be recording this.
I'm not.
Yeah, good.
Hey, that's mine.
This is mine.
Oh, no, never
This is what
mind.
Grandma gave me.
I should have wore that for grad.
Shove.
You guys aren't cross.
This is what happens when I'm in my condition. People take advantage of me. I don't know if this is a happy tear.
Do you have a confession to make?
I'm eating all this hair.
I can't do it.
How does women do
I'm
it?
gonna just go like this,
These
okay?
women do it. You just want to touch his chest, so you know.
Oh, where did I fall? I'm kidding.
All the way down. Also, you can see.
I love my new necklace. I don't even know what it looks like.
Another one. Yes.
Oh my god.
You don't deserve this.
I'm not drunk or stoned and I can't believe you guys are doing this to me.
YouTube, I have a YouTube account.
No.
Oh,
No.
YouTube.
Okay, if you want to take off the wig.
I can.
Or do you want to keep it
now.
on?
I don't want it.
Well, while we're at it then.
No. No way.
You can be my Barbie.
You can be Ken.
Calling me a guy?
I would look pretty good in that.
Yeah, come on, just try it on.
This isn't funny.
Why are we laughing?
Oh, little shot.
myself. Oh my god. Curtsy right.
I'm just kidding.
Smile.
I'm gonna smile because I think I'm gonna cry.
Oh. Here's some joy.
That's how it would look if Mark had a sister.
No,
You were really getting ready to.
I love you. You're not even recording it.
I am. Yeah, I am.
No.
Oh.
I can take this off.
Well, these guys are crazy. Yep. Mark found his feminine side, and Serena was his man. Her man, his, her man. I don't know. Someone was someone's man. Me, I was recording it all. Thank you. Have a good night with Tiffany Pammin. Hey, girl. Beep boop. Beep boop. Beep boop. Beep boop. This is Tiffany out.